there. Hi everyone. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you can hear in the background, my cat is playing with a clip. Oh, what is that? I don't know, she's playing with a clip. So pardon that. She insisted to come into my room. Okay, so today we're gonna do what we're left off. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay. We're gonna do where we're left off. Last time we did the card dragging system. We did a card dragging system for our player card, and today I'm going to do the what is it? The card slot, as the title said. So yeah, I think we can just get on with it. And also I'm going to speak softly. Maybe should I do whispering for ASMR? No, I'm just going to speak not that loudly because my throat is kind of sore. So yeah, let's get on with it. Yippee! Okie dokie. Should I turn on this hotkey, this stream up hotkey? Cause Loki, it's kind of like it's literally everything I typed. So I don't think I should. That would be just like accessory. Okay. So alrighty. Okay, so actually before we jump into the what is it? The card slot, I think I'm going to do a little bit of drag feedback scripting. So just a little bit, just very little in the script. So we're going to make a drag feedback function and a finished drag function. So yeah, we were supposed to do it yesterday at the last time we saw each other, but I was a little bit on a time crunch there. So hold on, let me move my mic because I cannot type when it's not right there. Okay, so we can. Okay. My cat is playing again. I can just put it here. So function start drag. So it will be easier for us to like edit like add expressions into the action. So I'm gonna do a start drag. Oh, we have to add an argument. Oh my gosh. And pardon my cat, I don't know what she's playing with. What are you playing with? What are you playing? Oh goodness. Okay. Alright. Card being dragged. We're gonna call card being dragged, and this is like this is like this. I can just okay, we can just put that there and then put this here, and then we can do the scale, card scale. Pardon my cat. Okay, at the start, at the beginning, the card would be like that, and then this is just gonna be a simple function. Finish drag, card, and I'm gonna do the scale as well. So the scale is finish drag. When it starts to finish drag, the card would have a scale of this. Okay, and then the card being dragged, when we let go of it, it's gonna be null because we don't have a card that's being dragged, so it's not gonna stay being dragged. Okay, so we can replace that pass with this. Oh goodness. And we can put the finish drag, copy. Yes. The else is this. Okay. Okay, just that. Oh no. Card. Oh shoot. Hold on. Let me check something. I forgot what I was supposed to do. Calling the else dot drag function called this is the card manager, right? Card manager. Just gonna check. Oh shoot. Let's just do a little okay, let's just do a little rerouting. Oh. Come in. Does that work? I'm just gonna check. shoot, okay, it didn't work. Okay, hold on. So it is supposed to stay here, but we have to oh, this is going to be caught being dragged. Does that work? Yep. Okay, that worked. Also, so sorry. Is it this? Yeah. Yeah, it worked. I just need to do that. The card being dragged. I just forgot what it is because I forgot. I didn't realize why it didn't work. It happened a lot, so I apologize in advance. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, okay, now we got that out of the way, we can start making the card slot. So, oh goodness. I have already made a card slot design, so I'm just gonna drag it. Card slot. That's it. So, okay. I'm dragging that. This is the card slot, right? Alright. And then I can right click, add child node, node 2D, and I'll create this, and I'll name it card slot. Yep, card slot, and then I'm gonna add a child node, and I'm gonna add, it's the same thing actually, it's the same thing as okay, it's the same thing as the making the card, so I can just put this in here. Maybe there it is. Now I'm gonna, let me just, what the heck? Okay. Hey, not that. What was that? I heard like a doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Okay. Wait, let me. Okay, that's too big. Okay, good. It's like this big. Yay, big. Right? Yep. Okay, let's just put this in the crosshair. Put it on the crosshair. Making sure it's aligned. Okay. Alright. Now center this on. And we're gonna add another child node. And then a child node, collision shape 2D, and added a shape, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna resize it. Oh goodness, okay. Hold on, my cat is asking to leave. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the card slot. I mean, that's how you make the card slot. It's pretty much the same as how you would make any other sprite 2D scene or no 2D scene. Now we're gonna create, right click and then save branch as scene. Card slots, yes, save. Okay, now let's see how it, hold on. Hold on, let me move this actually. Let me move this. Let's try to move it. Okay. So it's gonna be on the screen. It's gonna be on the screen. So, okay. Let's go to the debug and see what's good. See, good. But, yeah. But because we haven't differentiate between the cards and the card slot, the card slot can still be, dragged around. And we don't want that. That's not what we want. We want it to behave properly as card slot. So let's go back to the Godot and we're gonna attach a script in a card slot. So open the scene, attach the script in to the card slot. So we're gonna attach it right here. Right click and attach script. We're just gonna name it card slot. I know you cannot see it, but it's there. Okay. So because the problem happened because the cursor, the raycast cannot differentiate between the collision mask, the collision layer of the card slot and the card, because they're on the same collision layer. So we're gonna check. Yeah, I'm gonna check the collision layer, the current collision layer of the card slot, the area 2D. So we can just drag. To make it easier, we can just drag it, and we can choose what the hell, the collision mask, and we're just gonna check it 1. Right now everything is at 1, so collision here, right? It's 1. Alright, so we're gonna change everything to 2. Make sure to deselect the 1 so it's only in the layer 2. Now we're gonna check. Okay, it said 2. Okay, it's in the 2, the second collision layer and mask. So hopefully that would not. Okay, let's just check if that does anything. Okay. All good? All good. Okay. We can still drag, but we can. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's a. That's something we have to clean up later. But for now, we'll just do the functions first. Okay. Alright, so where's the card slot? Wait, no, never mind. We're gonna do the recast check for card slot here. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be in the finish drag. Yeah, in the finish drag. So when it landed, we want to check if there's a card slot. I'm gonna do a card slot here. Now we're gonna do the raycast check for card, but we're gonna change it into raycast check for card slot. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I think I should put this. Hold on, no. Let me just cut and paste. Raycast. Okay, that's better. What? Oh yeah, this is not yet. We're gonna copy. And we're gonna do another function. Function check, recast check for card slot. And we can just do this. We can just copy and paste this. Oh, actually, oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I put it there. I'm supposed to put it on top here. There we go. Check for card slot and slot. And just add that. And then we put a constant for that. Constant for that is because it was 2. The thing, what is it? The collision mask that we printed was 2 here, right? 2. And we can just put 2 in it. So collision mask card slot, collision mask slot, and we can change the return as we would initially. Result 0 dot collider dot get parent. So it's like how we would initially when we do the dragging system. And now we're gonna update the finish drag. Yeah, in the finish drag function, yeah, it's already here, right? So we're gonna do an if statement. If card, oh yeah, found sorry, card slot here, and not, we don't want the card slot to have something in it. And we haven't done the card and slot though, but we're gonna need to add this, the card and slot, in the card slot. This is gonna be a boolean, so by default it's gonna be false. We can just go ahead and delete these. By default it's false, meaning it's empty. So we don't want if card slot here and not card slot here, card and slot, meaning if we find a card slot and the card slot does not have any card in the slot, meaning the boolean is still false, then we can drop it. We want to drop it in there. Card being dragged dot position equals card slot card slot here, card slot here, position, and then we're gonna disable the collision, the collider, so we can't pick it back up after we put it in the slot. Get node to D position shape to D and then disabled equals true, because in the collision shape we want to tap into this, the disabled, and we want to turn it on. So okay, that's one, and then now we're gonna register it as card and slot found, sorry, card slot here and card and slot equals true. Okay. Alright. Okay, for the hopefully it's okay, all good. Oh good. Okay, there we are. Okay, and oh, okay. Invalid assignment of property scale. Okay. Okay, hold on. there's a bug there which we have to deal with. So I'm gonna click around, check. Code found. Input manager. Code missing, no button clicked. It's gonna button released. Okay, so let's go back to Godot engine, and we're gonna add the main scene another. Okay, that's okay, we can deal with it later. Oh, card slot. Oh, yeah, we can add another card slot to the into the main scene. Okay, we have an obvious bug. Oh, okay, so but it does not relate to the function we have, so low-key. Okay, it works. Alright, it works pretty well for that, but the problem was that when we click outside, it will, like, when we click outside, it will have an error. Oh gosh, okay, hold on. Like, it's only 30 minutes, so we can try fixing it. Let me read it from top to bottom. Hold on. If input event, if event pressed. Okay. Var card check for card. If card start drag, else finish drag. Card being dragged. Okay, maybe. Okay. Okay, we have to put something in the else, because if event pressed, var card check for card. This will only work if we have a card. Oh, yeah, hold on. Else? Will that work? Will that work? Will that work? Hold on. No, it doesn't work. Alright. What if I just put continue? No, it doesn't work. No, sorry, it's not a loop. It's not a loop, it's only for a loop. Pass. Because if it isn't pressed, then this. Okay, no, it's not here. It is supposed to be here. Okay, hold on. Else? Huh. Hold on. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Start drag, finish drag. Then press for card. This is clear, but this is too early in the morning that I did it. could I think about it? Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Okay. So I should. Oh no, not this. I guess. So if will that work? Oh. Will that work? Will that work? I think that would. I think that will work. It worked. Oh my dumbass. Okay. I forgot about the card being dragged. I'm so sorry. Because my eyes, my brain is fixed on the raycast. And I'm like, okay, we gotta call raycast both times because low-key, it's not really needed there. We're not checking if there's a card there. We want to check if there's a card that's being dragged currently. Okay, so sorry. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. It's a shorter one today. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? Since it's the shorter one, I think I'm gonna add something. Where's my mic crackling? I don't know what happened. Since it's a short one today, I think we can do a little scene edition. So we're gonna add a table. Wait, are you seeing this? Yep, okay. We're gonna add a table. I've made a table. I don't know if it's gonna be I hope it looks good, but okay. So we're gonna add this. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna the Z and next to okay, just -2. And we're not gonna add like we're not gonna add the what is it? Oh god. Okay. We're not gonna add a collision shape or area because we don't want to be able to click on this. But yeah, we can start with okay. So the card we should actually hold on. Okay. The card slot. Okay, we can afford to scale it down. Okay. Let's see. Does that look okay? And then the cards as well, we can afford to scale it down. Just a little bit, I think. because the card is low-key already okay. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Just that much. Oh, that's too small. Hold on. Just okay, that much. Yeah. Oh, not that. Cards. Okay, so the cards can go here. Can I? Okay, whatever. And we can click on the card slot. Actually, I'm gonna scale it up a notch. Okay, that's better. Is it better? Is it really better? Hold on. Okay, let's move this. Yeah, it's kind of better. Okay. Gonna move this as well. And we can add another one. Okay, let me check. Position 650. Okay, 786. Okay, 786. Add another card slot. Keep it there. We want to put it at 786. 786. Oh, wait. Oh, 650. And move it. And this, I also have to. Oh, it's already in 650. Is this already? Okay, everything is already in 650, which is good. Okay, alrighty. Okay. Okay, so now it looks good. Where is this? The table, the card. Card 944. This is 947. Okay, we're gonna do 945. Hope for the best. 945. Yep. Okay. So now it's a board. Right? No, it's board. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Come look at this. See, now it's a board. Now it's like a game, like an actual. Yeah. I think that would be, it would be so interesting if we can just like make it scale down. Okay. Oh, somehow. Huh. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna... Okay, never mind. Okay, that's okay. We can make it scale down, I think. Card manager script. If card found. Where is it? Finish drag? Is it in finish drag? Where is the finish drag? Oh, it's on top. I forgot. Cut being here position, cut slot here position, cut being dragged, yada yada yada. If card slot and okay, card size. Oh, scale. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, vector 2. Vector 2. 0.8. 0.8. Does that work? Let me check. Oh, doesn't work. Okay. Card scale vector 2 0. No. Okay. Card. Okay. I'm really gonna. Good. What about that? Oh wait. I'm gonna move this here. Okay. Redo. Okay. I don't think that's. I don't think it worked. Okay. You know what? It's not really that important. It's not really that important. Oh. Okay. Maybe. No. It's 1-1. Card slot. 0.88. I think the thing I did was quite it made quite a lot of sense actually. So it's just the placement of the thing, the placement of the statement that I had to figure out. Finish drag if card slot here, card and slot, card being drag position, card slot here, card being drag scale. Okay, hold on. Maybe I've been making a card. Oh, maybe it's card being dragged, but I want it to be the cards being dragged. Okay, maybe. Okay, if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna okay, I'm just gonna fix it in the next time. Also, what happened to this? I don't know what's wrong with my debugging station because it maximizes and I cannot click out of it. No. 1080, 920, resizable. Okay, borderless, not on, resizable on, initial position, 0 center of primary screen. Okay, maybe maybe we should do windowed. It doesn't really... Oh. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Hold on. Come. See, it's kind of fine. But, okay, the bottom one is my toolbar, so somehow it's kind of like... Yeah. Somehow it shows up. But thankfully, OBS just doesn't do anything, doesn't show it, so. Okay, so yippee. Okay, all good, everything's okay? Yeah, this works? Oh, okay, so maybe I would either... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna redo it. This is me monitoring the debugging station. Okay, would it be better if this part is red, so like everything else is like beige? Because if we put it here, or we can put like an outline, like white outline outside of it. Yeah, I can put like white outline outside of it, because like right now, okay, if right now this is what happened, but like, okay, maybe we can add. I mean, the green helps. The green does help. The green does help. Maybe, yeah, I think, should we add green to it? Would it be like too much? But the green in the background already helps though. So I think, I mean, you can't really like click on it anymore either way, so. Or should I just put white here on the playable area? Or should I make this green? but if I make it green, it will be like too much green. I could just add the white. Okay, I have to revise that. But yeah, aside from that, it's all good. It's all good. It's all A-okay. A-okay. Yippee. Okay, so low-key, I think that's okay. I need to note what I need to fix. So I need to fix the design of the table. I need to do more like, but if we want more green, I was planning to actually make all the buttons green, but there's only one button. So okay, buttons green, because green is like the accent color. Or we can do bigger white outline to show the area in which the card will be played at. But I will also have to do a trial and error in that as well. But harmonic, in harmoniously, it's good because it's the same color scheme, but it made the card like not highlighted. So I think I need to like rethink what I need to do with that. I need to like revise that. That's one. And also the card scale. It's like a silly little thing that I wanted to do. But the card scaling, I could do that in the future. It's not really, it does not really disrupt the whole like mechanics. It's all good, it's fine. Yeah, maybe I will revise the design, but maybe in the next one we'll still use that table design until I am sure of the table design, because this design is an initial design. So yeah, I think honestly I think it's fine for now. Yeah, in the next one I think I'm gonna do the player hand, because the whole scene is set up. We can do the hand to like instantiate the card from a deck, but we don't move to the deck yet. We're gonna move to the instantiation of the card onto the player hand first. So yeah, I think that's all for today. I think we did a lot of accomplishment today. We did the card slot, and we debug the thing that made the thing error, which I was kind of blindsided because I was looking at raycast instead of looking into kind of card being dragged. But that's fine. We found it and figured it out. So yeah, pretty much all good, all okay, all a-okay, and I hope it will be able to grow as I wanted it to grow, and I hope I could finish it properly. But so far as I look at it, it seems like it's achievable to finish this. But the player hand and deck is where it's going to start to be a little bit more complicated. But it's fine. It's a-okay. It's alright. We can face that. I have to prepare it though. I have to prepare the notes as well, so I wouldn't waste my time finding bugs like that earlier. But it's fine. That's what game dev entails. So yeah, I also need to go somewhere else. I have somewhere else to be, like right now. So thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.